Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for NEET. To begin, thoroughly understand the NEET biology syllabus, which covers both botany and zoology. Your primary resource should be the insert textbooks for classes 11 and 12. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to biology, ensuring consistent revision. This foundational approach will build a strong understanding of core concepts, crucial for success in the examination. Mastering biology requires a deep understanding of concepts, not just rote memorization. Spend time comprehending why biological processes occur. Regularly practice drawing and labeling diagrams, as they are frequently tested and aid visual learning. Utilize flowcharts and mind maps to simplify complex pathways and interconnections. This active learning approach enhances retention and problem-solving skills, vital for the examination. Consistent practice is paramount for NEET biology. Aim to solve at least 100 multiple-choice questions every day from various topics. Regular revision of all studied material is crucial to prevent forgetting. After taking mock tests, meticulously analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas. Focus your efforts on improving these specific topics, ensuring a comprehensive preparation strategy for the examination. Effective time management is key to covering the vast biology syllabus. Allocate specific time slots for each chapter, ensuring you complete them within your schedule. Remember to take short breaks, about 10 to 15 minutes, every 45 to 60 minutes of study. Prioritize your well-being by maintaining a balanced diet and getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly. A healthy mind and body are essential for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.